What is up, my Pokey fans, and happy morning to you. Brand new year, 2021. Hope everyone was very safe in their activities for New Year's Eve. As you see, we have Champions Path ETB box, what we'll be opening it up today. Oh yeah, very nice set. Very hard set to pull anything. So let's crack this baby open. And yeah, let's get into it. Shoveling on it, don't make fun. For those who have not opened Champions Path, it does come with a player's guide with cards you can get. We'll just run through this real quick. That's something I'd like to pull, as well as everybody else. Just a nice variety of, cards throughout other sets and everything like that. Enough of that. Put that to the side. There we go. Let's get this baby open. For those who haven't opened Champions Path, this is going to be a nice little treat. Your Mega Charizard sleeves, which we will be using for, and if we pull our Charizard. Got a little rule book, pretty nift. You also have the promo Charizard V, which you see in the background. I got a CGC 9. Thought it was going to be a little bit better, but what can we do about that? You also got a block of energies. Your code card. And you have dividers for when you want to, or if you want to divide. Should be getting 10 Champions Paths, 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. You got your dice, very nice, and your damage counters. So, without further ado, let's move that out of the way, and let's get started with this opening. So, what is your guys' goal for 2021? Is it going to be to stop smoking like I have? That is my goal. Pokemon goals. Maybe complete a set that you have not completed before. We have Psychic Energy. Team Yell Grunt, Purloin, Kakuna, Trubbish, NK, Reverse Hollow Potion, and Amarni. Oh, wait. That was weird. Huh. Looked like there was a shine on the back of it. Yeah, I'm very excited about the new set coming out, Shining Fates. I'm sure a lot of people are. Fighting Energy, Suspicious Fruitin, Hyper Potion. We got Malamar, Zigzagoon, Vulpix, Rockruff, Purloin, Lanoon, Reverse Hollow Scrafty, and Nothing too important. What are you guys going to be opening up for the new year, huh? Is it going to be Hidden Fates reprints? Is it going to be Champions Path? Or for what a lot of people say, Chump Path? Code card for you. I'll get that in focus a little bit better. 4 from the back. Fire Energy. Here we go, baby. Let's get that fire. We got the Great Ball. We got Pokemon Center Lady, Teamio Grunt, Purloin, Pokeball, NK, Zigzagoon, Trubbish. We have a Reverse Holo Scrafty and a Zygarde. Let's just tilt that down just a little bit. Yeah, Champions Path it's definitely a hard set to pull, but when you do finally get that Charizard, either one, it is very sweet. And it's just not the Charizard that's in this set. There are a lot of different cards that are in this set that are actually very nice, and people, kind of look over it. We got a Kakuna, Nickit, Swabloon, Machop, Reverse Celipede, and Incineroar V, which would be our first ultra rare hit. Sleeve it up. Put it back there. We have 6 packs to go. Yeah, no, I'm real big in base set Pokemon. The original 151 Pokemon. I like the new sets, Leaf Energy. But I don't know. I mean, a lot of people take the new sets for granted. They don't like it very much. Me, since I was, 8, 9 years old, I've always liked Pokemon to this day, obviously. Playing the game, any kind of game, it's in a scorch. Pokemon Red and Blue and Yellow, definitely best Pokemon games out there. Why don't you guys let me know down in the comments which your favorite Pokemon game was growing up, or currently now. And if you guys are new, thank you for joining me on this wonderful first day of 2021. And if you're a returning person, thank you for coming back and spending the afternoon with me. We got a Water Energy, Great Ball, Poke Center Lady, Teamio Grunt, Weedle, Zigzagoon, Rockruff, Full Heal, Scrafty, Reverse Holo Weedle, and Obstagoon Holo Rare. I mean, it is nice in every pack that you do get a guaranteed holo or better. Just the pull rate is just, it should be better. But I mean, that's Pokemon. Can't do nothing about it. Code for you guys. 2, 3, 4. Let's guess Fire Leaf. And if you guys are new, please subscribe. Anything will help. If you guys like the content, even better. Smash that like button. Smash that like button. Rockruff. We got the Reverse Holo Machamp going into Holo Machamp. Champion's Path hits again, guys. Got 3 packs left. 1 ultra rare. Actually, I got this ETB for Christmas from my brother, which was Extremely nice. Guess the energy. Let's guess steel. Lightning. Hop. Piers. Sonia. Kakuna. Trubbish. Inkay. Weedle. Nice. See, I like the hollow energies. I think they're very beautiful. They look nice. Going into another Obstagoon. Hollow rare. Last 2 pack, guys. So yeah, why don't you guys let me know, just let me know what your goals are for 2021. If you have any, what goals you set last year and did you hit them? Just leave me, I will comment back to you. Just be very nice to hear everyone's 2021. Obviously, one of my best things is 2021. 2020 is gone. It's in the past. No more. Best thing that happened to me in 2020, I had my beautiful daughter, Aurora, who is going to be turning 1 in March. Good things definitely did happen in 2020. But I definitely see a bright future, especially for my Pokemon career, hopefully. We got Weedle, Lanoon. I definitely think I see something in the back. Carvana, na. Thanks, Leonhardt. We got a reverse Hollow Scrafty and Professor's Research Hollow Rare. All right, guys. Last pack magic. Can we pull the shiny Charizard, the rainbow rare Charizard? If I guess this energy, I'm going to get it. What do you guys think? I'm going to go with water. Fire. That might be good. Machoke, Beedrill, Arbok, Rockruff. We got Vulpix, Lanoon, Full Heal, which is what I'm probably going to need after this box. Purloin. We got Reverse Hollow Carvana, na. And we're ending off the video with a Venusaur V. So, we ended off with 2 ultra rares. V cards, of course. No V maxes. No secret rares. I'm happy with it. It's fun. I'm happy to make these videos. Pull Pokemon cards. I love opening Pokemon packs. You have to be a true Pokemon person to want to open packs, even if you don't pull anything. Just having fun. That's what it's about. Having fun. Well, if you guys enjoy the video, again, smash that like button. If you're new, thank you for joining us on this wonderful journey on 2021. Subscribe if you like the content, if you want to see more. I do have a few videos that are going to be coming up soon, some Vivid Voltage openings. I even have some older, stuff. Not super old. I got Shining Legends, so thank you guys so much for joining me, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.